Connor, ow! Oh, he left early this morning. He said something about a bumblebee. She went to cut it down for the squire's chair. Buy some flow, chums.
Your mom.
Did you already cut it down?
You farted again.
What?
Gassy little man.
Bailey.
What you two said the other day, and I decided one tree makes a